Today, I want to introduce you to an amazing tool that helped me build muscle and shred fat in a super effective way. Hey Live Leaners, Brad here from LiveLeanTV.com. So before we get started, I want to first give a big shout out to today's video sponsor, Lumen. So stick around because I'm going to show you how Lumen can help you make your workouts more effective so you can build muscle and burn fat more efficiently. Let's dive in. Lumen is the world's first handheld metabolic coach. So it's a device that measures your metabolism through your breath. And on the app, it lets you know if you're burning fat or carbs and gives you tailored guidance to improve your nutrition, workouts, sleep, and even stress management. So using Lumen is simple. Before my workouts, I take a body measurement to check in on my body to see if I have enough carbs in my system to fuel a high intensity workout or if I need a snack first. So here you can see I'm at a 2. That means I'm burning mostly fat, and if I do a tough workout, I may not be able to get through it without potentially breaking down my muscle mass for fuel. This means I should grab a snack before getting started. I also take a breath about 45 minutes after my workout to see how intense it was for my body. So if it was really a high intensity workout, I should still be burning carbs. That's because your cortisol spikes to cope with the stress of vigorous exercise, and that triggers carb burn. Then over time, this will move into fat burn. Knowing how my body is doing after a workout and having my nutrition plan adjusted dynamically means that I know I'm refueling with enough protein and complex carbs to support my muscle mass goals. By helping you avoid muscle breakdown and actually grow muscle mass through effective workouts, Lumen can help improve your ability to burn fat. This is where the connection between muscle mass, fat burn, and Lumen comes into play. Building muscle and burning fat are two sides of the same coin when it comes to body recomposition. Your muscle mass is not just a reflection of your physical strength. It also plays a key role in your metabolism. Your muscles are packed with mitochondria, which are your energy production powerhouses. If you don't train your muscles correctly and feed them with protein at the right times, they break down, taking the mitochondria with them. So with less muscle and fewer mitochondria working together, fat burn during rest in low activity is at a serious challenge. Now, let's talk about how to optimize your training with Lumen. When you know what fuel your body is using, you can tailor your workouts for maximum effectiveness. For example, if the Lumen shows you're burning carbs, it's a perfect time to hit a high intensity interval training session or lift heavy weights, because your body has the energy needed for these demanding activities. Then on days when you're burning fat, you might focus on steady state cardio or lighter resistance training to keep the fat burning process going without depleting your energy reserves too quickly. This strategic approach allows you to make the most of each workout, ensuring you're working with your body's natural metabolic state. Plus, by adjusting your nutrition based on Lumen's insights, you can support your workouts more effectively. For instance, for some people, adding a carb-rich meal before a heavy lifting session can give you the boost you need to lift more and build more muscle. More muscle mass means more mitochondria and increased fat burn at rest, so your body continues to work towards your fat burn goals as you go through your day. So Lumen helps you prioritize the lifestyle choices that support muscle mass growth based on your unique metabolic needs, so this process becomes easier and you can reach your fitness goals faster. Okay, now let's discuss how you can use Lumen to lose body fat and gain muscle mass at the same time. By consistently measuring your metabolism with Lumen, you can tailor your diet and workouts to your current metabolic state. So if Lumen indicates you're burning carbs, focus on high intensity muscle building workouts. Follow this with a balanced meal rich in protein and complex carbs to support muscle repair and growth. On days when Lumen shows you're burning fat, stick to moderate intensity cardio and ensure you're in a slight caloric deficit to promote fat loss. Adjust your nutrition dynamically based on Lumen's feedback to ensure you're getting enough protein to maintain muscle mass while cutting fat. The The Lumen app provides daily recommendations on your nutrition and lifestyle, ensuring you're fueling your body correctly to maximize muscle gain and fat loss. By following these personalized guidelines, you can achieve a more effective body recomposition. So if you want to take the next step to a fitter and healthier version of yourself, go to lumen.me/LLTV or just click the link below and you'll get 15% off Lumen. Thanks for watching, Live Leaners. If you enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to Live Lean TV, and let's live lean together. And don't forget, keep living lean.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me